1314's Pro Series Screen Truetone Repair Adapter. Fix the no Truetone problem after replacing screens for 13 Pro, 13 PM, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. Please note that 14 Pro, 14 PM shares the socket with 15 Pro, 15 PM. Cautions. 1. There is a limit on the writing times of 1314's Pro Series, usually 3 to 5 times the out effort. Fail to write, do not continue writing, or the screen may damage. 2. Due to the screen verification mechanism. If the original screen of 14 PM is Samsung, you can also use LG SCREEN. But not all the LG screens are compatible. 3. When operate for the first time, please take a photo of the red original screen data to prevent misoperation. For the version of V1S should no less than V8.06. Option 1. There is an original screen, and the touch IC is not changed. The screen of this 14 Pro Max has been replaced. There is no true tone, but a pop-up window. Turn off the phone. Buckle the original screen on the corresponding socket of the adapter. Click Reading and save the original screen data. Step 2. Write the original screen data to the new screen. Remove the screen to be installed and buckle it on the adapter. Click Writing. A pop-up window will appear. Since we are repairing the screen of 14 PM, the screen model should be selected. After confirming the screen model to be written, click Write. For other models, please click Write directly to write Truetone data. The screen shows Truetone write success. Step 3. Dismantle the original touch IC and install it on the new screen. To fix the screen pop-up window problem, when removing the original screen to reserve the touch IC, it is recommended to use a hot air gun. To take apart the touch IC of the new screen and keep the screen, it is recommended to grind with a grinder. Step 4. Install for testing. The Truetone of this mobile phone has recovered. Now pop-up window. Repair Truetone and pop-up window with original screen complete. Option 2. There is original screen, but the touch IC data has been copied to the new screen. The screen of this 14 Pro Max has been replaced, and the touch IC has been copied to the new screen. There is no Truetone and no pop-up window. Turn off the phone. Then connect V1S to the computer with a data cable. Open Jcid Repair Assistant on the computer. Log in. Click Repair Fitting. Connect with V1S. Turn off the phone, then connect V1S to the computer with a data cable. Select the corresponding model. Click Reading Data. After reading data successfully, click Touch IC Fix Treatment. Since we are repairing the screen of 14 PM, the screen model should be selected. After confirming the screen model to be written, click Write. The screen shows Truetone write success. Step 3. Install for testing. The Truetone function has recovered. Repair Truetone with replaced screen complete. Note, if there is an original screen, it is recommended to operate according to option 1, so as to avoid losing the original screen data by misoperation. Option 3. No original screen, or the data is lost because of the damaged original screen. The screen of this 14 Pro Max has been replaced, and its original screen has lost. There is no Truetone now, and has a pop-up window. First, connect mobile phone and V1S to the computer with data cable. Then open Jcid Repair Assistant on the computer. Log in. Click Repair Fitting. Connect with V1S. Open the mobile phone and click Trust. Click Fix Truetone. After capturing the screen MTSN, buckle the screen on the adapter of V1S. Click Fix Truetone. Since we are repairing the screen at 14 p.m., the screen model should be selected. After confirming the screen model to be written, click Write. For other models, click Write directly to write Truetone data. When it shows Truetone repair success, install the screen on mobile phone to check. The Truetone function has recovered. Repair the Truetone without original screen complete.